A game of chance contains of spinning an arrow which comes to rest pointing at one of the numbers from 1 to 8, and these are equally likely outcomes. What is the probability that it will point at? Solution. Sample space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total possible outcomes is equal to 8. Question number 1 is at 8, points at 8. How many favorable outcomes are there? It points at 8 means only one favorable. Total outcomes is equal to 8. So P of E is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. So P of 8 is equal to 1 by 8. P of 8 is equal to 1 by 8. Similarly, P of 7 means 1 by 8. P of 2 is equal to 1 by 8. Second question, an odd number. So how many odd numbers are there? 4. 1, 3, 5, 7. Number of favorable outcomes is equal to 4. Total possible outcomes is equal to 8. P of odd is equal to 4 by 8. 4 ones are 4 twos are 1 by 2. Next question. A number less than 9. So less than 9, how many numbers are there? All we will get 1 to 8. Favorable outcomes 8. Total possible outcomes also 8. P of less than 9 is equal to 8 by 8. That is equal to 8 ones are 8. 1. Sixth question. One card is selected from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting question number 1. A king of red color. How many red color kings are there? Already we have discussed about this topic. 2. Favorable outcomes is equal to 2 red kings. Total possible outcomes is equal to cards 52. Favorable outcomes. P of red kings is equal to 2 by 52. 2 ones are 2. 26 are. First question. A face card. Now, most important. How many face cards are there? 12 face cards are. Number of favorable outcomes is equal to 12. Total possible outcomes is equal to 52. Probability of face cards is equal to 12 by 52. 4 table. 4 threes are. 4 13s are. Next question. A red face card. How many face cards are there? 6. So number of favorable outcomes is equal to 6. Total possible outcomes is equal to 52. Probability of red face cards is equal to 6 by 52. 2 table. 2 threes are. 2 26 are. Next question. A spade. Number of favorable outcomes is equal to how many spades are there? 13. Total number of possible outcomes 52. So probability of spades is equal to 13 by 52. 13 ones are 13 fours are. So 1 by 4. Answer. Spades is equal to 1 by 4. Next question. The jack of hearts. Hearts. How many are there in the hearts? How many jocks are there in that? So there are only one jock. So favorable outcomes is equal to 1. Total possible outcomes is equal to 52. The probability of jack of hearts from hearts is equal to 1 by 52. The queen of diamonds. Number of favorable outcomes is equal to 1. How many diamonds are there in how many queens are there in the diamonds? There are only one card. So favorable outcomes 1. No, total 52. Probability of queen of diamonds is equal to 1 by 52. These type of questions we can create number of questions from the cards. Question number 7. 5 cards. Only 5 cards. The 10, Jack, Queen, King, and Ace of Diamonds are well shuffled with their face downwards. One card is selected at the random. First one. How many are there? Only 5 cards. What are those? 10, Jack, Queen, King, Ace. From this, first question, what is the probability that the card is Queen? So total cards is equal to 5. If you take any card, so just you will get only one card from each. from the given 5 cards. Favorable outcomes is equal to queen, only one queen. So probability of queen is equal to 1 by 5. Probability of queen is equal to 1 by 5. Probability of king also 1 by 5. Okay na? Second, from that second, if the queen is selected and put aside, what is the probability that the second card selected is an ace? Now, so queen is taken, put aside means removed from the cards. You should not count from the 5 cards. Now, how many cards are there? 5 minus 1 is equal to total possible outcomes 4. How many ace cards are there? 1. Favorable outcomes 1. Probability of ace is equal to 1 by 4. Next question. A queen. So already queen is taken and put away from the cards, removed from the cards. Now there is no queen from the 4 cards. So total number of possible outcomes is equal to 4. Number of favorable outcomes impossible event 0. Probability of queen is equal to 0 by 4, that is equal to 0. Next, eighth question. 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good ones. It is not possible to just look at a pen and tell whether it is good or defective. One pen is taken out at random. So, from this lot, determine the what is the probability that the pen is taken out is good one. Solution. Defective pens is equal to 12. Good pens is equal to 132. Total pens is equal to 144. Now, first question. Good pens. Favorable outcomes is equal to 132 because good one is 132. Total outcomes is equal to total 12 plus 132, 144. Probability of good pens is equal to 132 by 144. 12 table, 12 12s are 144, 12 11s are 132. 11 by 12, good pens. Second one, defective pens. Number of favorable outcomes is equal to defective. How many are there? 12. So total possibility is equal to 144. Defective is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. So 12 by 144. 12 ones are 12, 12s are 144. That is equal to defective pens is equal to 1 by 12. Next question. A lot of 20 bulbs containing 4 defective ones and one bulb is selected at random from the lot of 20 bulbs. So, what is the probability that the bulb is defective? And suppose the bulb is selected in the previous case is defective and it is not replaced. Now, one bulb is selected at random from the rest. What is the probability that the bulb is not defective? Solution. Defective bulb is equal to how many are there? 4. Total bulbs is equal to 20. So good bulbs is equal to 20 minus 4, that is equal to 16. Now, defective bulbs is equal to total number of possible outcomes is 20. Number of favorable outcomes is equal to 4. P of E is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. Probability of defective bulbs is equal to 4 by 20. 4 ones are 4 fives are is equal to 1 by 5. Now, one most defective bulb is taken out and put away from the bulb. So, now, what is the here? Sorry, not a defect one. Here, good bulb is taken away. Question is written wrong. Okay, na? So, good bulbs is equal to total 16 minus 1 is equal to 15. Total bulbs. So, is equal to 20 minus 1 is equal to 19. 20 minus 1 is equal to the remaining bulbs is equal to 19. Probability of good bulbs is equal to 15 by 19 because good one is taken away from the lot. Remaining 19, good ones are 15. 15 by 19, answer.